What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading and investing channel on YouTube. I am your host, Carter. We have an awesome episode today, but before we get started, you guys need to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We are nearing pretty much 900 subscribers. Now we're about 80 away, but honestly it's going quick. So if you guys want to get a copy of this, for all of the subscribers, you guys can get a free book, either a paperback or an ebook. For every 10th person that subscribes gets the paperback, and then the rest of you guys get the ebook. So in today's episode, we have an awesome topic. We're going to be talking about how to invest $100 into the stock market. Now, I personally think that $100 is not a whole lot of money, especially for investing into the stock market. Now, there's pretty much 2 or 3 plays that you can do. Now, the first one is you can seek education. Now, you can take that $100 and pretty much just invest it into yourself. Now, that could be investing it in books, that could be investing it in courses, or other educational material. Now, that $100, you can work another job, gain some more money, and use the knowledge that you get from the book or the course or anything else, and pretty much try to make more money from that $100 investment starting out. Now, that is probably the most common thing, and that's the thing that I would recommend doing, especially if you want to be a day trader or a some other type of profession in the stock market industry. Now, the second thing that you can do to invest it is you can just invest it into the overall market. You can invest it in indexes, you can invest it into the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, ETFs, and other types of investments. Now, me personally, I would invest it into either a mutual fund or a ETF, or an index, something that follows the general market. So you don't really have to have a whole lot of knowledge to be successful in it. You can just have a general idea of, let's say the S&P 500 goes up anywhere from 7 to 12% annually. So you can pretty much get an overall idea of that's what you can kind of expect to get that type of return on it. Now, that's what I would recommend doing, guys, especially if you guys don't know what you want to do and you just want to put that money and don't let it sit in the bank. And I think 100% do it. Now, the third and probably the most risky and probably the thing everybody wants me to talk about is to trade that $100, guys. Now, if you're going to be a successful trader, you're going to need to treat trading like a business. Now, I love saying this because it's true. You're going to have fees. You're going to have to pay for scanners. You're going to have to pay for all this data, news, alerts, all this stuff, guys. Now, that's expensive. And you can't pretty much make any money with $100, to be honest, guys. If that's, say you want to shoot for 10% each time, that's going to be $10. You know, it's going to be $10 a day. You know, maybe compounded, it can build up. But realistically, if you have any type of platform like Thinkorswim, fees are going to eat up all of your pretty much profits. It's going to be a very expensive road. You're going to lose most of your money starting out, just because you're not going to be able to execute share size. And if let's say you want any premium scanners, those scanners run you I believe mine's $120 a month. Could be wrong, could be more. But yeah, so right out of the get-go, you're kind of setting yourself back. You're really just gonna throw this money away. Now, if let's say you wanted to download Robinhood and pretty much do the 1 share challenge or the one share trading, that's a little different because you're not risking a whole lot of money. Now, that's pretty much when you buy 1 share of a company, just to get an overall feel and kind of like a paper trade, but you actually feel the emotions of the real money. Now, those are the top 3 ways that I personally would invest $100 into the stock market. Just to do a little recap here, so we have the first one: seek education, books, courses, all that other fun stuff. The more you learn, the more you learn, the more you earn. Keep that in mind, especially when you're talking about stocks. Super important. Number 2 is to put it in the general market. ETFs, indexes, something that really doesn't charge commission, because you can go on Alley and trade indexes or trade ETFs all day long commission free. Or you can just download Robinhood. But the third thing is to do the most riskiest thing of all, and that would be to trade it. I would not do it, but I'm sure you could find some type of success maybe over a long time. Super unlikely you're gonna lose your money. But that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you're new. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Peace out.